I am going to be building a very tiny little maker's mark. I don't know if you guys saw me build this little Viking comb. Richard's coming in, he's gonna show you how to use it. When the channel hits 10,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be giving away the comb. I need to put a maker's mark on it, and I have this maker's mark that I've been using for years. And the problem is that there's nowhere on this comb where I would be able to place this. I'm gonna have to make the portcullis even smaller. Now that the comb is complete, make sure you check out my other video on how I built this comb for your chance to win it.